Welcome to eChalk Talk. Greetings of the day. Online teaching has become an important tool nowadays. We created this channel to share the knowledge through YouTube platform. We are a group of people belongs to different streams like management, engineering, applied science, economics, etc. We are going to start a series of lecture sessions related to different streams. Initially, we will start with management and economics, followed by lectures from the other streams. We are also planning to make the videos in different languages such as English, Hindi, and Punjabi based on the interest of our channel audience. We will also update you with the latest notifications of different universities on admission, exams, etc. With this introduction, we welcome you to our YouTube channel eChalk Talk. We will try to upload a good content and look forward to your support through your critical comments and suggestions to improve the channel. Thanks with regards eChalk Talk.